lunch earlier, took a siesta, and now we're heading to get pizza. And I'll tell you how this is. Food is always a good idea, and I'll tell you about a pizza. No one is inside. Are we the only ones? Okay. Huh? This is what we use to light, so we can see it.
Yeah.
I like it. It's cute. The lighting is, the place is lit with candle. You can only see my face, and I don't want to burn myself. It's called Pizza Local. It's really nice. It's a nice ambience. It's our first time being here, and we're just hoping that the flavor is amazing. Yeah.
Big expectations.
Huh?
Big expectations.
Yes. No, you know what? I always say set the expectation low.
No, but I have set my expectations.
Oh my goodness.
So we are. No, I am screwed with this. Okay.
No hay luz.
¿Al revés? Sí. Y acá.
Gracias.
Because you got this left and then with feta crumbles and olive oil, you can take it with the bread and it's a good bread.
So what would you tell them about this Greek?
It's good. It's okay.
It is good, but
It needs more olive oil.
it needs more olives. I love olives.
I
How?
think they put balsamic
Vinegar?
Yeah.
Yes, they did a little bit of balsamic vinegar.
Yes, that's the flavor. The flavor is
I think they use the balsamic vinegar to make up for the olives because the olive is what add the saltiness
maybe.
and the bit of salty and brine.
Eso ya se lo retiro,
Sí,
¿verdad?
por favor. Gracias.
Permiso, este también.
Gracias.
Provecho.
Gracias. Lights for the pizza. Por favor. We're gonna eat in the dark now.
You drink.
Gracias. Because it's dark, but let me see. Because I'm sitting at the kitchen here. The pizza is delicious. It's very simple. There's not a lot of fluff, there's not a lot of drama. And I would recommend you're so funny. Thank you. I would recommend the pizza. How much out of 5 would you give it? 5 out of 5. The alcohol is good, it's strong. But the lighting, it's about conversation and eating. It's just a beautiful space. Thank you. Brownie con vainilla. Was amazing. When we arrived at what time? Like minutes before 8. What time is it now? After 9, yeah. And when we arrived, it wasn't crowded. Now when we left, damn, the place is pumping. Today was a wonderful day, a beautiful day, delicious food. Food is always a great idea. And I'm gonna end by saying stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video.